Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech Maybe Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert a bar chart inside the Canva sheets on your mobile phone. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video.
For how to insert a bar chart on your Canva sheet on your mobile phone, just going to show in this video. Here I have a total of 6 to 9 data, 6 data here. So first you just need to select the data. So to select the data, just click this and just scroll down and just select it. After selecting the data, you just need to click on the action button, and here you can just type as chart. Just type as chart here, and you can have a magic chart here. You can just use it if you just need it. Otherwise, just swipe down and you have an option to insert chart. Click this. Click on the element section here. So here click on the charts option. Now here you just need to insert a bar chart. Click on the bar chart. So here you can find different type of bar chart, like a stocked, unstocked row, single column, a bar chart, or like that, lot of the more different sizes or different styles. Click on the bar chart now. So after inserting the bar chart, you have a data and custom option on the bottom. So here you can just easily customize the x-axis and y-axis and also the other more settings. Click on the data option. So here you can just change data if you just need it. And then if you just need to customize the color, click on the color option. Just on the bottom, you can just easily change the color just by swiping. And it's easy to access and easy to change the colors and customization. So this is a way that you can just easily insert the bar chart on your sheets, Canva sheets on your mobile phone. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful and also a beautiful day.